In today's uncertain economic times, it's more important than ever to rely on yourself and plan for your own financial security and stability. One of the best ways to become recession-proof is by starting a business. Here at Mason Institute, we can show you how to start a six-figure business. In previous videos, Mason Institute shared some proven ideas such as becoming a mobile notary, opening an e-commerce store, or starting a YouTube channel. These are all great recession-proof ideas. Maybe you took action and began one of these freelancing opportunities in your spare time outside of your job and realized that you could make a business out of this. You're now convinced with the right guidance and assistance you can run any one of these businesses from anywhere at any time and give you the flexibility and freedom to run your business that suits your lifestyle. There are many benefits to starting a business this year, including the potential for financial freedom and the ability to create your own income stream without being tied to a traditional job. It's time to take control of your financial future, and starting a business has never been easier. There are more opportunities for people today than ever before with the online industry exploding. Are you ready to take the plunge? You are the only thing holding yourself back from pursuing your true potential. This is the moment when you can finally see a clear path ahead. Let's explore 7 reasons to start a business. 1. You already took action. You have established a proof of concept and started making money outside of your job. It's time to turn your side income into a legitimate business. 2. You have the drive and determination. You see a clear vision for future success and know that the only way you fail is to quit. Remember, every failure is a lesson for success. 3. You have learned how to bring value to others. You have established good habits and improved your skill sets, and you're ready to help and share it with others. 4. Starting today is the best time. The world has changed and there is a need for more small business owners. 5. You can be your own boss. The best part about owning your business is that you can choose when and where you work, schedule your hours, and decide how much money you want to make. In other words, freedom is entirely yours. 6. You can replace your current income. Quitting your job may be one of the best decisions you make when your business eventually replaces your employment salary. You can work as hard as you want and make as much money as possible without anyone controlling your livelihood. 7. It's rewarding and challenging. The best part about creating a business is that you get to be in charge of every aspect of your business and you'll grow as a person and a leader. So what's holding you back? Is it the fear of failure and the unknown? Let Mason Institute help alleviate some of your worry and fear. We work with professionals that can help with every aspect of your business from beginning to end. They are committed to helping individuals and small businesses achieve financial freedom to pursue their true passions in life. They do this by creating, establishing, and scaling a full-service marketing business for each client. There is one goal in mind: to succeed in all aspects of properly structuring and marketing your business. With the years of knowledge and experience, they have developed strategic sales and marketing consulting with hands-on assistance to ensure success from business setup to launching and scaling your business. Here's how the done-for-you service works. 1. Business entity formation. Creating a business name for your new LLC, registering your business with the state, registering with the IRS, creating a business bank account, bookkeeping for your expenses, creating business email, creating a marketing plan, and building a website. 2. Offer development and mindset. Developing a growth mindset. Ridding yourself of that scarcity and fear-based mindset is a must to truly unlock your potential as an entrepreneur looking to establish a successful business. Crafting and packaging your offers. The way you package your offer determines how much you can sell it for. Establishing credibility and trust with your prospects. Developing digital assets and resources to establish yourself as an authority figure and expert in your given industry. 3. Sales funnel. Funnel setup. This funnel is designed to educate your prospects, build rapport, and filter through people who are serious versus people who are not. Automated email marketing. This will help nurture your prospects, increase revenue, and help automate your follow-up. 4. Paid client acquisition. Paid traffic campaigns. With the proper system, it becomes a matter of investing a certain amount of money per month to help obtain clients. 5. Convert and scale. Converting leads into paying clients. sales process, strategies, training, scripts, and setting attainable goals, client fulfillment and retention. To have a long-lasting successful business, you'll need to deliver great service to your clients. This will generate social proof and testimonials and increase revenue and ultimately set you apart from your competitors. You will learn how to properly onboard clients, deliver your services, and upsell additional services, and retain them for the long run. Starting a business can be very challenging, but can also be very rewarding and fulfilling, along with a great way to achieve financial security and ultimately financial freedom. By focusing on your vision and bringing value to others through a great product or service, you can succeed in any business venture. At Mason Institute, we can help you with all the mechanics of running a business, including the advanced skills needed for success. Don't let fear and doubt hold you back from reaching your goals. With the right team by your side, you can overcome these obstacles and achieve your dream of financial independence. If you're ready to start your business and want professional assistance, click the link in the description below or visit the Mason Institute website to get started on your journey to prosperity.